Hello everyone, it is day 4 of homecoming week. Today there are 3 events. The first one is the homecoming parade, which I'm going to right now. The second one is the surprise event, which is going to be a fireworks show at 7 p.m. And then we have, what is it called? I got the name. The last event is called Sharks After Dark, and there's going to be like music, giveaways, and I think like roller skating. I got in my homecoming skirt today. I put on my jersey. I am so excited. Fins up.
Four of them squashed.
Okay, I'm back from the homecoming parade. I'm not gonna front. It was not good in the sense that it was not well attended, and there were only like 5 or 6 organizations that participated. However, I don't know why I got another bag like this, because I got one at the pep rally, but it came with like a pom-pom, like cute with razor at the top. The homecoming float was hand throwing t-shirts. Tell me why I picked up another one. I need to stop taking NSU's merchandise because I have way too many NSU shirts. What else came in the bag? A handy dandy rag that says bleach shark blue, and a sticker that says bleach shark blue, beads, and then a cup, and the cup does light up. And then, well, obviously the bag.
Oh, this is nice. They're actually going all out this year.
Hello, Sharks. Welcome to the fireworks show.
Hello guys, it is a few minutes to 11 and today's finished. I want to admit that this was the best day of homecoming so far, between the fireworks and the roller skating, the arcade games. I didn't film a lot because I was just having a good time, but it was good. And then tomorrow is Friday, day 5, and tomorrow is the homecoming bash. And I can't believe like it's the only event on the Friday. Like there should be something like in the lunch block tomorrow, in my opinion. Today's day 5 and today's just Shop Right Friday, and then the homecoming bash is tonight, so I just put on an NSU t-shirt to show Shop Right. Not many people are wearing NSU swag. I feel like they should be emailing us like every single day. Like, this event is today, this event is tomorrow, today is Shop Right Friday, wear your shark. Yeah, because like it's so easy to forget that things are happening if you already have like your routine going on. Yo, this video is going to be so long, and I was going to try to make it like 8 minutes, but I'm trying to show you everything that's happening in homecoming week. If like NSU is your prospective school, you don't know like what campus events are like, what the school spirit is like, so bear with me. also, like, I've been with my friends, but I just haven't been introducing them because the video is so long. So I just try to like show you what's happening, but that's it. Y'all, it's me from the future editing. Tell me why all the videos I took from the homecoming bash are in slow motion.
Yeah, it was really funny how it kind of happened.
So we're back from the homecoming bash. I did not take a lot of videos, but the ambiance was nice. Like, the yacht was nice. We got good food and stuff, but the DJ, he did not do it. It was not giving. They could have had more people, and we're struggling to get back to our rooms because our feet hurt so bad. I'm back in my room. I'm calling it a night. It is 1 o'clock in the morning. Tomorrow is the basketball game and the volleyball game, which I might be going to both of them. And I do have a beach cleanup in the morning at 7:45 a.m. So I'm only going to get a few hours of sleep. I'm not going to bring you along to that, but that's why I'm going to be tired tomorrow. So I'm going to take a shower, take off my makeup, and get in bed. Hi guys, it's Saturday. I sound extremely tired because I am, but let's go to the volleyball game. I'm taking my pom-pom, and I have on my NSU sweatshirt because in the arena it's normally so cold. Let's go. We're inside, we're here, Schoolsburg. We got free socks, NSU, and they have free boba, but I don't like boba, so I didn't get any. Just updating you, it's 2.5 hours later. The game is still going on. We're in the 5th set and it's 2-2. So we need to win this last game to win. We lost the volleyball game in the 5th game or 5th set, 15-13, so it was really close. And then the basketball game, we're pretty much level right now, but I have stuff to do, so I'm gonna leave. I probably looked like I had so much school spread, like I put the socks on because it was so cold. Like, the Rick Case Arena is always so cold. Not just the arena, like the whole UC is always freezing cold, and I would just like somebody to tell me why.
This is actually nice. Are you vlogging? Yeah. I like this.
Vlog, I already started like taking off everything to go take a shower. But that was the end of homecoming week. I tried to show you as much as I could. I think overall in my 2.5 homecomings, because I only had freshman year and half of my sophomore year, they didn't really like go all out last year. I think this was my favorite homecoming to date. Most of the events were like well thought out. The brunch was my favorite. Brunch is my vibe, like very relaxed. Love the performances and everything. We even got this little bag, Sharks in the Garden. That was the name of the brunch. And it had like a sparkling cider inside of it. And then, not this. We got another homecoming t-shirt. So this will be my third one. Oops. There we go. But I gave one away, so I just have two now. But I really loved everything in terms of order. Sharks in the Garden was my favorite. Then the light show. Then the roller skating. Then homecoming. And then maybe the stroll off. Then pepper. I don't know. But thanks for watching. I'm sorry that the video is so long, but I wanted to give like prospective students or anybody an opportunity to see what homecoming at NSU is like. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if you want to. No pressure. Bye.